Hello, and here we have the review on Transformers Armada Starscream. Well, not the actual Starscream, it's the repaint to make, I don't exactly know his name, I think it's Shockwave or something. But really cool this way, exactly the same again, apart from different head mold and different colours. But this one's actually a bit of a different. You can see that these wings are actually different because they have these guns, and this bit, the normal Starscream just has circles and they're not painted. So it's better than the old one, but it's kind of not that good because it didn't come with any wings. Oh, that's one of his power links. It didn't come with any blasters, so basically just stuck with this old thing. Then onto the transformation. Right, yeah. First you flip out the legs, rotate them. So here, this piece, everything taps in well, and you can actually. And then underneath here, these little things here. Oh, sorry about that. These bits you have to flip them out like so, and then you just want to bring this, and then this chest piece there, when you tab it in, his head will pop out there. So now you can just stand them up, won't be a tick. There, like so. Then you simply push this down. As you see, when you push it down, it does make that noise. Then the arms you want to unbend. Oh, sorry. The arms you unbend, so you go down, stretch. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so fairly tricky. Just make sure everything's lined up there, and then out in here, these are very underneath. They are actually his hands, so they are very hard to get out. But luckily, on the side of it, they made that little tab, so you can actually flip them out much easily, like that. Let's do exactly the same for the other. There. And then you can stand them up, okay? So, which part, I'll just turn it off for a sec so we can get it more. Okay, I am back, and now we have Starscream in robot mode. You can see, fairly detailed. The problem with him, he has got that big piece of back junk there. I don't know why they made him have that, but it's just weird. A quick close-up on his head. You see he's got a face shield, nice eyes, nice little headpiece. You can press his tummy again, and underneath. Now I've lost his minicon as well, it didn't come with it either. And you would tap it on there, and then it would make him firing noises. But I actually found the button it is. It's actually here. When you push it in, sometimes it works. Not all the time. But you need to give it a time to get it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. See, now it fires rockets as well, so really cool. And now he's really big, so I'm pushing him as far back as possible. But his big back thing won't let him. So there. Now size comparison time. So now I'm going to size comparison with two figures. They are Star Wars things. You might be able to guess them. It is Hans. Yeah, Dad, in a sec.
What do you want?
Wait! It's Han Solo, who never stands up. You can see he's bigger. And Chewbacca, his twin. So you can see Chewbacca's nearly the same size, but still bigger. But there you have it. It is over now. I'm sorry, guys. So see you later.